So welcome everyone to TU Dublin. This is a picture of our campus, one of our campuses in fact. We have several campuses. This is our campus at Grangegorman. And you can see we've got a wonderful mix of beautiful old buildings and modern buildings here on our campus. And we're very proud of all of our campuses. So why study a master's degree in TU Dublin? TU Dublin is the top source of information and communications technology graduates in Ireland. We produce more graduates at undergraduate and postgraduate level than any other university in Ireland. The lecturers on our master's degree programs, that's the people who will be teaching you. They're carrying out advanced research in their field of expertise. So in addition to being excellent teachers, these are people who are attracting significant research funding, who are supervising postgraduate students, and who are contributing to the body of knowledge through all of their work. And we provide state-of-the-art master's programs in a range of areas and in really very important areas. You can see several of them listed here: data science, artificial intelligence, cybersecurity, software development, mathematics, and many, many more. So Technological University Dublin, we're the largest or second largest, depending on the time of the year, university in Ireland. We're one of the top 4% of the universities in the world and top 250 young university in the world, according to the Times Higher Education Rankings. With 30,000 students, 2,500 international students, 138 nationalities, 3,500 staff across our three campuses. And our campuses are located in Dublin city centre. And here's the three campuses on which we have computing programs, with the Grangegorman campus, which is in Dublin city centre. So you can walk there from the very center of the city. It occupies a huge site just in the north inner city. Our Tala campus, which is in one of the southern suburbs of Dublin, and it's very easy to commute there using the public transport infrastructure that we have in Dublin. And Blanchardstown, which is based in West Dublin, and again very easy to commute to Blanchardstown from the centre of the city and from other parts of Dublin as well. Here's just an infographic that sets out some information about TU Dublin, some you may or may not be aware of already, and I won't go through all of this, but I will point out one thing, which is the 1:17 staff-student ratio. And this is indicative of, I suppose, the degree to which you're supported as a student in TU Dublin. So when you join TU Dublin, you're not put into a large class group and you're just a number there. You're part of a small class group that gets very close interaction with the staff and the tutors and indeed the other students on the courses. And that's something that very much defines the approach that we take to our undergraduate and our postgraduate teaching and learning. And you'll see that you'll get to know our academic staff when you're on our programs. But there's lots of other information about TU Dublin there. You can see the success of our research, for example, with 20,000 citations over the past 5 years. You can see the success of our graduates, the number of students that we have, the entrepreneurship associated with TU Dublin, so startups that are being developed by postgraduate students who go on into the entrepreneurial space. And award-winning staff in a range of different areas, including in teaching and learning, in research, and in their own disciplinary areas. Here's a picture of a lecture room. Ireland, in case you're not aware of it, Ireland is in Western Europe. It's the westernmost country in Europe. It's just located at the center of the map here. So you can see Ireland here. Very easy for us to travel, for you to travel from Ireland to other parts of Europe. It's a short hop to London and to Paris and to Frankfurt, Munich, cities like that. The population of Ireland, the whole island of Ireland, has about 6 or 7 million people. And in the Republic of Ireland, that's about 5 million people. But we're part of the European Union, which has about 450 million people. So coming to Ireland means that you are located and part of this broad European community defined by the European Union. Here's Ireland itself. So you can see Dublin, our capital city, is located just on the east coast here. And you can travel easily from Dublin to cities such as Belfast in the north, Galway in the west, and Cork in the south. Ireland is a beautiful historic country with a thriving technology sector. We have over 900 information and communications technologies companies employing technology professionals around the country. And you can see a range of the multinational companies that are listed there. that have their European headquarters in Ireland and that have significant operations in Ireland. Here's a picture of Dublin City, our convention centre, and in the docks area in Dublin. Dublin is home to over 1 million people, including 32,000 international students. There's a rich, very rich history in Dublin. Dates back over 1,000 years. It was a city founded by the Vikings. It had its kind of peak era in the 18th century when it was considered the second city of the British Empire at the time. It was part of that particular empire. And Dublin is thriving now as a technology centre as part of the European Union. And because of its importance to the global technology centre, Dublin has been called the Silicon Valley of Europe. So why study in Ireland? You get to study in English. English being a global language for the technology sector. And we have excellent internationally recognised master's qualifications. Also, as a student in Ireland, you're permitted to work for up to 20 hours per week during the semesters and 40 hours per week during the vacation period. And you also will get permission because of the type of visa you get to study on our programs. You'll have permission to work in Ireland for up to 2 years after graduation. Picture from one of our campuses. And this is the list of programs that we offer. And I'll just quickly go through each of those programs to provide you with a little bit of information about each of them. The MSc in Applied Mathematics is a 1.5-year program in Grangegorman. Graduates of this program will be able to apply mathematical and statistical modelling in an impactful way and make contributions in industry in areas such as data analysts, biostatisticians, risk analysts, supply chain analysts, and research analysts. Our MSc in Applied Cybersecurity is a 1-year program based on our Blanchardstown campus in West Dublin. And graduates of that program will have the skills and knowledge to secure business and personal data and work as security professionals, cybersecurity professionals in any business area or industry sector. And we have graduates of that program working in a whole range of different companies and sectors around Ireland. Our MSc in Computing with DevOps. So graduates of this program will be effective DevOps professionals who understand the interplay between technology and people, processes, and who can balance those trade-offs between requirements and costs, who understand business needs and who value effective communication to stakeholders. Our MSc in Computer Science and Advanced Software Development is a program that targets people who are graduates of computing programs and who wish to study advanced technical modules in programming, design, databases, architecture, web development, and acquire advanced technical knowledge for software development roles. Our MSc in Computer Science and Data Science is again based on our Grangegorman campus, and graduates will have the knowledge and skills to work with large amounts of raw data and extract meaningful insights from it. They'll be equipped with the deep technical skills in data management, data mining, probability and statistics, and machine learning, and also with software professional skills. Our MSc in Data Analytics offers an opportunity for people coming from both computing and non-computing backgrounds to acquire a qualification in the area of data analytics and the skill set to be able to apply that in a range of different disciplinary areas and different sectors. So it's designed to be both a conversion program for people coming from non-computing backgrounds and also a program that enables students to advance their technical skill set. Our MSc in Human-Centered Artificial Intelligence is a program that enables people to build and apply artificial intelligence while also understanding how to deal with the societal choices that come with artificial intelligence. So it covers all the technical aspects of AI and also covers areas such as AI trustworthiness, AI ethics, and how AI can be designed to be socially harmonious. And finally, our Master's Qualifier program is a short course that enables students to build up their skill set and their knowledge in order to help them get to the level required to become eligible for entry to our MSc in Computer Science programs. So that's an overview of our programs. We're delighted to welcome any applications for these programs, and we look forward to welcoming students onto these programs in TU Dublin.
Yeah, I have a question. Can you hear me?
Yeah, sorry. Apologies. I was